Hello guys, let's interpret ABC again. Let's see the pH. It's 7.55. PCO2 is 13.3. Bicarb is 11.6. PO2 is 67. Hematocrit 28. And we have got an N gap of 16.5. Now let's see, according to ROMA, they are in opposite directions. So it's respiratory alkalosis. For respiratory alkalosis, we should know it is acute or chronic. We have got formula for acute. For every 10 change in PCO2, the pH will change by 0.08, and for chronic it changes by 0.03. So there is change of pH, that is 40 minus 13.3, which comes 26.7. So for 10, 2.67 into 0.08 equals to 0.2136 plus 7.40, 7.46136. For chronic, we have 2.67 into 0.03 equals to 2.67 into 0.03, 0.0801 plus 7.40, 7.4801. We have got the pH of 7.55. So 48 to 55 to 61. This one is closer. So we have acute respiratory alkalosis. Now let's check, is there any other hidden disorder or not. We know every 10 change in PCO2, bicarb change by 2 in case of acute and 4 in case of chronic. We have acute, so we should go here. We have the 2.67 into 2, it is 5.34. 24 minus 5.34 is 18.66. The bicarb should be 18.66. We got the bicarb of only 11.6. So there is hidden metabolic acidosis as well. So the final diagnosis is acute respiratory alkalosis with metabolic acidosis. The main formula we should remember is, in case of respiratory alkalosis, for acute conditions, every 10 change in PCO2, the pH change by 0.08, and in case of chronic, for every 10 change in PCO2, pH change by 0.03. And we should check the value. which one is closer to the pH. It's the that conditions. And after finding acute or chronic, we should check the bicarb level, and we should check if there is any eater disorder or not. We should know for change 10 change in PCO2, bicarb change by 2 in case of acute and 4 in case of chronic conditions. So finally our diagnosis is acute respiratory alkalosis with metabolic acidosis. And after finding the metabolic acidosis, we can go for NN gap, it's more, so we can go for AGMA, and we can check for delta ratio if there is any other hidden disorder or not. Delta ratio means change in NN gap by change in bicarb. Change in NN gap means 24 minus, change in NN gap means 16.5 minus 12 by 24 minus 11.6, 16.5 minus 12, 4.5 divided by 24 minus 11.6, 12.4, 4.5 divided by 12.4, it's 0.36. So there could be AGMA with NAGMA. High NN gap metabolic acidosis with normal NN gap metabolic acidosis. Thank you.